Sermon number 66. Ways of fighting. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. A crowd of Muslims. Make fear of Allah the routine of your life. Cover yourselves with peace of mind and clench your teeth, because this makes the sword slip off from the skull. Complete your armor and shake your swords in their sheaths before showing them out. Have your eyes on the enemy. Use your spears on both sides and strike the enemy with swords. Keep in mind that you are before Allah and in the company of the Prophet's cousin. Repeat your attacks and feel ashamed of running away, because it is a shame for posterity and cause of awarding you fire on the day of judgment. Give your lives to Allah willingly and walk towards death with ease. Beware of this great majority, and the pitched tent, and aim at its center, because Shaitan is hiding in its cornet. He has extended his hand for assault and has kept back his foot for running away. Keep one enduring till the light of truth dawns upon you. While ye have the upper hand, and Allah is with you, and never will he depreciate your deeds.